this video, let me show you how to request the Chase debit card replacement on the application. So if you're trying to replace your current debit card that you have within the app of Chase mobile banking, let me show you the way on how it is done. All you want to do is navigate to the home page, which is the account section, and then tap on your checkings account from the home screen. All of the accounts that you have linked within Chase will be visible on the home screen. You can just tap on one of these options, and once you're inside of the account section, you need to look for the option which says manage account, and right there you'll be able to see the option called replace cards. But however, if all of the cards are already being displayed on the screen, you can directly select the card that you're trying to replace. You'll need to provide a reason that you're trying to replace this card, and then tap on the confirm your request. Your new card will arrive in mail within 3 to 5 business days. This is the exact process that you can follow in order to replace your debit card within Chase. If this card video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.